things beautiful, functional, and inspiring for your living spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. If you are tired of staring at a dull, patchy lawn or a cracked concrete slab and want a stunning backyard upgrade that doesn't cost a fortune, you are in the perfect place today. We are breaking down the absolute best gravel patio design ideas that can turn any neglected corner of your yard into a high-end European retreat. From cozy fire pit zones to elegant dining spaces under the trees, a gravel patio is the ultimate weekend DIY project that delivers massive visual impact. Stick around as we share the essential layout tricks and material secrets that will help you achieve a luxury look on a budget. A gravel patio is an outdoor living space constructed using loose aggregates, such as pea gravel, crushed stone, or river rocks, laid over a prepared base and stabilized with durable landscaping borders. Choosing a gravel patio over traditional pavers or poured concrete is an incredible design choice for several reasons, starting with its exceptional drainage capabilities. Because gravel is completely permeable, rainwater flows naturally back into the soil, entirely eliminating messy puddles, runoff issues, and costly drainage systems. Additionally, gravel patios are highly flexible, adapting easily to any organic or irregular backyard shape, and they offer a distinctive texture and a soft crunching sound underfoot that instantly brings a relaxed, organic charm to your home. It's easy to install a gravel patio, and often much less expensive than pavers or concrete. Gravel is also an ecologically friendly choice as it avoids toxic chemicals, like those used in asphalt paving, and helps preserve groundwater by providing a permeable surface for rainwater drainage. There are several different colors and textures of gravel to choose from, so we've gathered 15 gravel patio design ideas to inspire you and help you design a space that's right for you. One. Gather around the fire. Fire pit with sunken gravel patio. Add a fire pit to make the most of a modern home. The sunken gravel patio gives this the feel of an outdoor room. 2. Incorporate art. Garden with gravel patio and bench. Mix practical and decorative objects for an eclectic and pleasing design. Planters, a wooden bench, outdoor lamps, and small sculptures give this small seating area a touch of artistic whimsy. 3. Imitate a cottage. Gravel patio with rustic furniture. Embrace cottage style. The neutral, natural tones here are a perfect match for the gravel patio. This simple seating area features weathered wood pieces and 2 cozy wicker chairs, plus a simple wooden daybed with cushions for casual socializing and fair weather ease. Just pull the cushions and throw blankets inside if it rains. 4. Don't forget color. Gravel patio surrounded by plants with table. Add color for extra vibrancy. This secluded oasis features a gravel patio seating area surrounded by lush plants. Note how the colorful table linens echo the red flowers. A great way to bring a pop of color into this shady spot. 5. Brighten up. Gravel patio with seating area. Brighten up a more shady space by using white gravel. White furniture continues the theme, and the seating area extends the bar for a flexible, entertaining space. 6. Keep it simple. Gravel patio and backyard. Keep your design simple if you have smaller square footage to work with. This little gravel patio is the perfect size for a small dining area and is easily built using bricks to create the outer edge. This can be easily built on a level lawn, and using some cardboard or heavy plastic underneath will keep weeds and grass from growing through. 7. Surround your guest house. Cottage with gravel surround. Surround your guest house with gravel for a low-maintenance way to create a patio space. Add some planters for color and texture, pop in some chairs, and this becomes a perfect spot for morning coffee or an evening cocktail. 8. Maximize texture with ivy walls. gravel patio with ivy-covered wall. Mix natural materials for extra texture. The corner of this yard features ivy, gravel, wood, glass, and metal. The total effect is a low-key but gorgeous visual feast. 9. Romanticize the space. Wicker chairs on gravel patio. Let the picturesque scenery do all the talking by keeping everything simple with a paver-edged gravel patio. Simple, comfy chairs were added to make this the perfect spot for taking in the view. 10. Make a gravel garden. Gravel garden and stone patio. Make a simple gravel garden. This one in England features level gravel beds that are every bit as walkable as the stone patio and pavers. A gravel garden is also an eco-friendly option. The sense of openness and tranquility in this design is even more dramatic with a glorious sunset in the background. 11. Extend your house's footprint. White cottage with gravel patio. Place a gravel patio near your house to make it feel like an extra room. Add a metal propane fire dish, which is cleaner and easier than a wood one, and furniture with all-weather cushions, and you have an outdoor oasis steps from your back door. 12. Facilitate a social setting. Gravel patio in desert garden. Make socializing easier by designing a gravel patio. This desert garden in Northern California sees some chilly nights, even in summer. The gravel patio holds heat beautifully and provides a cozy place for these dogs to warm themselves in the morning sun. Gravel also provides excellent drainage after a sudden rainstorm for the drought-tolerant plants in this garden. 13. Include cozy seating. Gravel patio with wicker swing chair. Make zones. This large gravel patio has 2 seating areas. One with a table and chairs for meals, games, or whatever your heart desires, and the other with a charming wicker swing chair for reading or daydreaming. The potted plants add some garden charm to this simple, flexible design. 14. Add a small stock tank pool. Gravel patio with small pool. Add a small stock tank pool to make the most of your summers. All you'll need is some gravel, natural stone pavers, a metal stock tank for a simple shallow pool or foot cooling tub, and some sleek, comfortable chairs. 15. Decorate with twinkle lights. Outdoor shed with deck and gravel patio. Add fairy lights, candles, and soft golden lamplight to make a cozy patio a fabulous spot to hang out as the sun goes down. Gravel is an inexpensive, low-maintenance, easy-to-install option for a patio. Start with a level surface, and all you need to do is spread the gravel with a rake and maybe add some bricks for edging. Of course, you can opt for more complex designs as well. There are some downsides to consider. Gravel can get quite dusty in dry weather and can be hard to keep clean in some climates. It also needs to be refreshed every couple of years to keep the area level and looking neat. When it comes to choosing the best gravel color for your patio, consider the exterior hues of your home, the design style you want, and other elements of the space such as plants, yard furniture, trees, flowers, etc. For example, if you want a cottage feel to the space, opt for a gravel color that would complement neutral tones. There are a number of options. Pea gravel is a popular choice as it's widely available, relatively inexpensive, and easy to work with. Crushed stone is a good surface if you will have heavy furniture, as it will remain level underneath large objects. If you're installing a gravel patio, make sure you lay landscape fabric or a subbase underneath it. This helps add stability to the patio as well as prevent unwanted weeds from taking root. Creating a gorgeous backyard escape doesn't require a team of expensive contractors or weeks of messy construction. As we have seen today, a carefully planned gravel patio brings a perfect balance of rustic warmth and crisp, modern design to any home exterior. By selecting the right stone color, pairing it with striking edging materials like steel or timber, and finishing the space with comfortable furniture, you can easily customize this project to match your personal style. It is affordable, highly functional, and undeniably beautiful. If these gravel patio design ideas inspired you to upgrade your outdoor living area, please hit that like button and subscribe to Home's Decor Designs for more weekly home and garden inspiration. Drop a comment down below to let us know which gravel style or layout idea you like the most, or tell us if you are planning to build one yourself this weekend. Make sure to click that notification bell so you never miss an upload, and we will see you in our next video.